If you're looking to integrate AdCreative AI with Google Ads, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up and why this combination can drastically improve your ad performance. AdCreative AI is a game-changing tool that uses machine learning to create high-converting ad creatives for various platforms, including Google Ads. If you've struggled with creating ads that perform well or simply don't know where to start, AdCreative AI takes the guesswork out by automatically generating optimized ad creatives based on your input. To get started, first head to the link below for an exclusive and extended free trial of AdCreative AI. This will give you access to its full capabilities without any commitments. But stay tuned because later I'll show you exactly how to integrate it with Google Ads in just a few simple steps. AdCreative AI works by analyzing your target audience and then crafting creative ads tailored to them. You simply input the parameters for your campaign, like your product or service details, and the platform will deliver ads that are likely to perform well based on proven trends. It's as easy as that. Plus, you can test multiple versions of creatives to find out which one delivers the best results. Now let's talk about how you integrate AdCreative AI with Google Ads. After creating your ad creatives in AdCreative AI, you'll want to download the assets, such as image files or ad copy, to your computer. Then, go into your Google Ads account and create a new campaign, selecting the type of campaign that fits your objectives, whether it's search, display, or something else. Once you've created your campaign, you'll add your creative assets into Google Ads, either by uploading image files directly for display ads or inputting your ad copy for search campaigns. If you're running a display campaign, you can also use AdCreative AI's recommendations to further refine your targeting, ensuring your ads reach the right audience. The real power of this integration is that AdCreative AI helps you bypass the trial and error phase of ad creation. Instead of spending time tweaking copy and designs that don't perform, you can let the AI generate high-performing creatives, which you can then upload to Google Ads in just a few minutes. This saves you hours and can lead to a higher return on ad spend by using ads that have a better chance of converting. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize how easy it is to integrate AdCreative AI with Google Ads, and how this integration can take your ad campaigns to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, the time-saving and performance-boosting capabilities of this combination will give you an edge. Remember, you can start using AdCreative AI completely for free with our exclusive bonus by clicking the first link below. This extended free trial lets you explore all the features and see for yourself how much easier it makes ad creation. Give it a try and start boosting your Google Ads performance today.